In this video, we are demonstrating how we correctly measure and mix epoxy resin. We begin by measuring out our two parts. Today we're using our U RESIN Cast system, which is a 2:1 ratio by volume. We are using a total of 1.2 litres, so we pour out 800 ml of part A and follow with 400 ml of part B. We set our timer for 3 minutes. This is a very handy little tool to have in your art room. Then begin mixing. As you'll begin to see, we spend 1 minute mixing the contents of the measuring jug, then another minute scraping along the sides, and a final minute scraping the bottom and edges of the mixing jug. Throughout the 3 minutes, you'll notice the resin goes from quite murky and stringy to a much clearer finish, which is a good sign that your resin and hardener are being well combined. It is very important to make sure your resin is measured and mixed correctly to ensure a good finish for your art project.